Okay, let's get recording. So I am playing. No, I don't want to play Commander Open Play. There we go. I am playing Krark Cruelty right now, and I'm not gonna try to raffle stomp people. So if I didn't just join a pod to do that. So the deck is something I've been talking about for a while. It's something I've been wanting to run. It's optimized. Oh yes, I would like to go first. It's an optimized base of a deck, and that's definitely not a good selling for it. Yeah, that's fine. in order to uh, in order to play Cruelty as much as possible. Cruel Ultimatum. So let's see. We have our commander, which is Krark and them. So let's see what we got here. We got Oloro, which is pretty good. Tolvar, and okay, this is pretty good. I always like to tell people good luck, have fun in Commander games because it's so impersonal online. I do know a lot of people complain about like, ugh, such and such is like a meta deck or da 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 da. But I think people need to just relax. It's gonna be okay, guys. We'll get through this together. In hindsight, going first with Exotic Orchard's not great. Is what it is. Oh, cool. The other people responded too. That's very sweet. I like it when other players are just really freaking chill. So I can't do turn one Ragavan, or anything cool with Mana Crypt, because Exotic Orchard is not on. So actually, I believe the correct move is just to play the island and pass turn. Now, I could play Mana Crypt, but that doesn't make sense because I'm not going to use it to play anything. It's just going to get blown up. So next turn, I'm going to let's use it F8. So F8's our friend. So our opponents, what we got here, yield. View dungeon information. Oh god, damn it. Yeah, it's yield. God, thank God for Commander Clash. Just the tap out yield all rule just saves so much freaking time. They really just need to do a yield for Commander. That'd be nice, but yeah. So next turn I can drop Exotic Orchard. I can actually get down my Commander Silas, which will be cool. I got Mana Crypt in hand. And yeah. So let's see. Bahamut is playing Tolvar, the Werewolf Commander, which is pretty dope. It's pretty strong. We got Igorob MTG, who is playing Oloro, Mr. Slow Daddy himself, and Obnixilis of the Black Oak for Blasi winner. Ooh, Taiga. Okay. So I don't know if any of these guys are playing cEDH or kind of stomping magic, but I'm just here to kind of mess around. The problem with these types of matches is there's no room for Rule 0 conversation. Okay, I have all my colors. Exotic Orchard, Rousing Refrain, and then pass turn. Exotic Orchard. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we can go Exotic Orchard. Tap for red. Tap for play Mana Crypt. Cast. Tap for blue. We're going to dash. Cast with dash. See what he got. What I get from you, Exile Zone. I got Swamp. He's sick. Let's see. I could play not Silas. I could play Krark, but that's not going to do me any good. So we'll just cast Suspend red. Oh, that's cute. My opponents are talking about how sick the Obnixilis card is. I wonder if I should warn this isn't cEDH. I guess it would have helped if I didn't have Mana Crypt, but I really... In order to get this deck to function, because it's such a bad deck, I really do need the fast mana. It's just such a bad deck. So next turn I can play Grave Karen wants to talk to your manager. Grave Karns, and yeah, let's see. Do I dash in the monkey next turn? I could dash in the monkey. Dash in the monkey. I guess I could drop down Silas. There's no reason for me to. Yeah. Ooh, okay, so that's not, it's not, as far as I can tell, it's not, Pillow Fort. Always yield. Always yield. Always yield. Heads. Tails, you lost the flip. That's what I get. Oh, whoops. Punt. Punt, punt. I accidentally tapped the mana. That's the breaks. Red. Blue, cast dash, yeah. Take Blaz winner. Yeah, they're talking about the precons, how hard they are to come around now. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, yeah, we will definitely be casting that. Okay, what do we need? What's gonna be the most interesting? Is it getting Cruel to mate him immediately? Explosion of Riches. That's a card I like to cast, because it's just... It's fun. So, this deck is bad. As a heads up. It runs cEDH enablers, but awful cards. Full mask off. I tutored for Explosion of Riches. Hopefully they appreciate that. I really hope they appreciate that. I love running bad cards. I love running... I mean, Explosion of Riches isn't a bad card. It's just such a stupid card. It's one of those cards that... my parents just texted me and said bummer about something. God, that's weird. I just love bad cards. I hope they're Googling it right now. Just because it's such a ridiculous card. So, yeah. This deck is a Krark Silas deck, which seems really intimidating, except it's more about just chaining and getting a bunch of Y6. I drew for Explosion of Riches. This deck is bad. The guy just asked me why 6. It might be maybe English isn't his first language. Sick in a good way, like it's so sweet. It makes you sick. I actually don't know if that's the etymology of that phrase. But ooh, Hound Tamer. That one is actually pretty sick. It's a werewolf lord. Yeah, because Blaz Winter can't block, so that makes sense. God, man. I need to do some... okay. Yep. Tails. Tails never fails. Heads, I lost the flip, so Tails did fail. Okay. That sucks. Grave Karens. Let's just cast this. I want to cast this. I want to cast it. Okay. There we go. Explosion of Riches. I locked my screen. Okay, if that's there, I'll have to edit that out. Nope. I will have to edit that out again. Let's have some fun. So if it faded out there for a moment, it's because my screen locked and it showed my full name, so... Oh, you guys aren't fun anymore. Yes. Jesus. Jesus. Did someone take all the damage? I'll play a Mox Amber. Not play a monkey, because I do not have enough enchantments. Okay. God, who took most of that damage? Let's see. Chat. Let's go to game log. Blazing Winter, Goboro, and Blazing Winter got hit twice. Ouch. So that's cool. Declare blockers. Nope. There. He swung at me because, like, yeah, I did stupid stuff. So I have Cabal Coffers, which doesn't do jack diddly right now. No one has an Urborg out, so... Oh, man. Man, I'm a little tired, but I'm having a great time. I'm just straight up having a good time. Okay, so if this gets too bad, I can always Hex. Or Mnemonic Deluge, which is 9 mana, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 mana. So I'm capped at... Well, capped. I'm at 6 mana. So, that's a thing. If I draw a lower level spell, I can always Krark now, which is pretty sick. Yeah. It's probably a good idea to hit the Boro player. Oh, Aggro Boro. Okay, he is like, he loves a Boro. That's kind of cool, actually. That's really sick. That is really sick. So the downside about Hex, which I love Hex as a card, is that it only you have to hit exactly 6 creatures. How to show cards in Mitgo. I forgot the shortcut. How to unhide. How do you... Is it... Nope. This? Nope. Oh yeah, it's the scroll key. Ooh! So we are still... Hashtag blessed. We are still short. I think I can dash in Ragavan. I still play this as land, and then I'll get 2 treasure. Because, let's see. Red, filter here to blue, 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 black, blue, red, blue, white. Yeah, I think that works. Tails never fails. Tails finally did not fail. Ah, I can cast it. Who has the most cards in hand? Who has the most cards in hand? Cast Rousing Refrain. And we are casting... Yep. Okay, cool. I have so much red mana. Boys. I have so much red mana that I think... Huh. Let's see here. So... I cast Krark using this. I cast... Do I really want to cast Demonic Deluge? Yes, I do. Choose target instant sorcery card in my hand. Blue, blue. 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 Oh. Cancel. So we're going to cast this. Oh, XL target instant sorcery. Oh, I can hit my opponents? Ooh. Ooh, that's sick. They're all killer beasts with bloodlust and high libido. Not wrong. So we're gonna do this. We're going to make this black, filter this into blue. There we go. Getting there. Oh, I hate the ordering on this. I hate it so much. There we go. Then we got our triple blue. And then we'll go black, pay that, and then we'll go... Actually, do that. Tails never fails. Tails, it won the flip. Same targets. Tails. Chaos. It keeps saying they're a Loro player, and he's like, "Why me, Mitko? Why?" And I said, "I think it's because you're a Loro player. He can take it. Sorry, they can take it. I don't like to assume. Other people may not care, but I think it's important to like have that standard. Probably. Ooh, I got a Burgie. I got a Haunted Ridge. Yeah, see, some people want to do cEDH stuff with this. Some people want to do cEDH stuff with Krark. I just want to cast bad spells. I just want to cast bad spells with Krark. I don't want to do cEDH stuff. Dad, I don't want to do cEDH. I just want to cast bad spells with Krark. I just want to keep casting Explosion of Riches and keep drawing cards. I don't care about, like... Actually, I legitimately do not care about winning. Like, and I don't mean that in like a, oh, I'm so cool because I don't care about winning. I mean, as in like, I don't care. I really just do not care about winning in any tangible sense. Okay, pay this. We got Mana Crypt. Great, we're gonna keep going. Let's cast this. Blue. Red. And then I yield through this turn. Oh, did Blazwinter quit? Oh. Snap. Okay. That or he died. I'm not sure which. Okay. Oh, he must have quit. Show game log. Let's take a look. Oh, man, I'm sorry. Let's take a look at all my Explosion of Riches triggers. Chose Tails, Blaz Riches, Explosion of Riches, Boral, Bahamut, Blazing Winter. Yeah, I think he just died. I'm sorry. Man, I'm sorry. Oh, God. Crap. Sorry. Okay. I'm the bad guy. Oh, I didn't mean to swear. That's right. Midco swears. Oh. Clearly. Someone was like, oh, did I kill my opponent? And he was like, oh no, he got unlucky. It's his fault. I'm like, fair. I just want to cast bad spells. Admittedly, Explosion of Riches isn't a bad spell. It's just very expensive. So the reason I was able to do that is, if you weren't paying attention, I got Rousing Refrain in suspended, so I was able to get 7 mana where I was just able to go off and draw a bunch of cards. Next turn, I think I'm going to Burgi in Jace's Sanctum and see... No, that's probably not it. That's probably not the play. Obviously, I am now the end. I am now the arch enemy. Please destroy me. I've earned it. hopefully they're not too salty. I really hope that they understand that I'm not trying to like just win and be good. I'm not trying to be good. I'm not trying to be a good player. I'm trying to be a ridiculous player, which is how I like to play. And I think actually Harfnell is what I'm playing next turn because it'll let me like just dig for more spells. Aw, damn it. Aw, damn it. I'm not sure. Like, I'm not going off. I think maybe he just felt like it wasn't worth his time. I feel bad now. I'm pretty much saying out loud what I'm typing. I feel bad now. Ugh. Okay. Well, I'm conceding. I got to do the thing. I think he took it as me pump stomping. Which, I guess, I think he took it as me pump stomping, which sucks. I get it. Anyway, thanks for the game, man. I'm not actually interested in pub stomping people. And this is how I build my decks in real life, by the way. I don't currently own a Mox Opal. I sold them before they got banned in Modern. Like... Right? I'm just going to tell him the deck is meant to cast cards like Cruel, Ultimatum, multiple times. Because it's just wild. Is what it is. Thanks for the game. So, I'm gonna give a shout to Agroob MTG. Really solid guy. He thought it was funny. I guess I can play through. I mean... I can play through, but it feels... I can play through, but... feels kind of masturbatory, you know? Yeah, so... Aggro Barb. I'll submit my favorite opponent. So, That sucks. I legitimately don't want to be the bad guy when I play Commander, and I feel kind of bad. Like, I shouldn't let it bother me as much as it does. But I just don't like I don't like being the bad guy. And look, this guy Ori joined another game, and I kind of want to go in, but I have a feeling he's gonna get mad. Like, if I ask him, like, hey, what's going on? I don't know. Is what it is. I'm gonna stop recording and eat dinner.